All right, let's try to get Respondus. So go to your My ASU page. This is mine. And then what you want to do is you want to go to My Apps right there. Click on that. You may find Respondus just right on the front page of My Apps. If you don't, you'll have to search for it by clicking Find More Apps and searching, but it's right here for me. It probably is for you too. Click on Download and then come over here and click on Download and then come over here and click on Download and then it will download. And what you want to do then is click on that. Click OK. It's going to do the song and dance where it installs. There we go. This is exciting. There we go. Finish, and we're done installing it. Here's the thing. When you go to take your exam, you're going to want to go to the Canvas site, and you're going to want to take your exam. You're going to go to the Canvas site, and you're going to click on the exam, and then won't let you in. And the reason is you have to go to the Canvas site through LockDown browser. So the first thing that you actually want to do is bring up LockDown browser, Respondus LockDown browser. There it is. So I can't see my recording screen right now, so I don't know if you're actually seeing what I'm seeing. But this is, it says more than one e-learning system is used at your institution. Please select the appropriate system from the list below. We've got Canvas at ASU, and then we've got ZZ Dev Canvas. Do not use ZZ. Obviously, don't use the one that says do not use. Click on Canvas at ASU. Click OK. You must close the following thing before, Signal. So I have to close my messaging app. Close application, continue, close it, and continue. I have to close, I don't know what. And WhatsApp, all the things. Open Broadcaster is what I'm using to record. So I can't get rid of that. So let's just get rid of LockDown browser. Anyway, do all that. And then it turns into another browser that you can use instead of, I'm using Firefox here, but instead of Firefox, Chrome, Safari, whatever you're using. Or Edge if you're crazy. It'll be another browser that you can use to navigate to Canvas to take your exams. So don't go to the Canvas site on your typical browser to take your exam. Make sure that you go through Respondus, navigate to the class, and then take your exam with Respondus there. And that's it. It's pretty easy. All right, good luck.